wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a Target haul. I don't think I've ever done one of these before on my channel, but you know the saying of like I walked into Target for one thing and kind of walked out with the store. Well, that's kind of where I am, except I didn't go into Target for a thing, right? I didn't go to actually shop. Y'all know they have CVS in Target, and CVS is giving out the vaccine. So it's like, why not try in person? Because trying to get an appointment for the last 3 months has been a struggle, right? So I was like, let me try doing that in person. I'm there in person, right? There's the rest of the store. So it's like, after accomplishing what I have to accomplish at the pharmacy, you know, why not see what they've got going on in the store? So here we are, like $100-something later. If you guys want to see what I got, then let's go. Well, the first thing I bought is this reusable bag. I think it's like 96 cents or something like that. But I don't know if you guys know, here in New York, they're eliminating, you know, like plastic bags. So, or they'll ask you, you know, do you want to pay 5 cents for a bag? Oh, cents and cent. Anyway, if you want to pay like 5 cents, or if you want to buy like these reusable bags, so you just get the products and then you put them in here. So the first thing I got was this bag. You know, it's cute. I'm trying to be environment friendly here as I do this haul. Let me pull out the first thing. So first thing I have is from Native, and it's their coconut and vanilla body wash. I'm pretty sure I see Yamaya talk about this on Instagram like every single day, and to the point where it's like I see it in store, I see like people I know on the internet talking about it, so why not give it a shot, right? It smells, it's got a strong coconut and coconut. It's called their coconut and vanilla body wash, right? Guess what it smells like? Coconut and vanilla. So I'm gonna give this a try, see what the body wash is giving. But I also got the, don't fall, okay. I also got the, where is it? I also got the deodorant to go with it. Not because of the body wash, because of that, but I don't know if you guys remember, I was talking about natural deodorants, and I got so many comments saying, oh, try Native deodorant, try Native deodorant. So I was like, I was already getting that. It's right next to it. It's also the coconut and vanilla, so why not go ahead and try this too. So I will let you know my thoughts on the both of these. But I mean, like, if they leave me smelling like them, points were already made. Okay, we're just gonna be pulling things out of here. This is from Flamingo. This is their mint gold razor. Yes, this is just a razor. This is what it looks like. I bought this because I bought the, okay, my wallet is still in here. Glad to know that, because I would, like, tomorrow I'm gonna try going somewhere, like, where's my wallet? And it's still in the Target bag. I bought this. This is what I like. This was none of this was intentional, but I saw this, and I know I've seen people talk about this Flamingo brand in general. This is their foaming shave gel. I heard it's really good. I heard it's really nice. So I picked this up, and then since I was picking this up, I was like, since it's the same brand, let me see what their razors are giving. So I picked up a razor as well, and I got the green one, because y'all already know what it is. I'm wearing green. Y'all already know what it is when it comes to me in green. And with this, so here's the gel. And then with this, you get a razor handle, 2 5-blade cartridges, and 1 shower holder. So how do I pull this? I'm trying something different with today's video. I've got the window open, you know, a little more natural lighting, but I feel like she kind of washing us out a little bit. Like, can y'all see this? Y'all let me know. Y'all will let me know what you think of the lighting. But there's the razor, and then there's the extra like refills, and then there's the shower holder. Come on, there's the shower holder that they're talking about. Okay, so I got a candle. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there are candles sitting behind me in my you know, like my background, and they're in little trays, and they match the colors of the trays. I got the trays from Essence in a PR package. So I got this candle from Beauty Blender. They sent this during Aquarius season, and then it matches the little tray that it sits in, right? And then I have this candle here from Forever Mood, and it's in a, you know, like a purple-y tray. On this side, I've got this candle that matches the tray right here, and then you see how this is empty? Hair all in my mouth. You see how this is empty? So I was like, I need a blue candle. It was in Target. I saw a blue candle. So I picked this up. This is from Scented Soy Candle. It's their blue lavender. Of course, it smells like lavender. So I feel like if you don't like, it smells like a very clean lavender. You know, like very, you walk into someone's house and it smells like this and you're like, am I allowed to touch the furniture type of clean smell, right? So it's blue, it smells nice. It also has a cover, so if I don't want to smell it, I don't have to, but I'm gonna uncover this and just drop that right there. For aesthetic, right? But at least it smells good as well. I don't know if y'all notice, I don't actually burn these candles, and let me tell y'all, that Forever Mood candle, I don't have to, okay? You notice how it's the only one that's got the cover on it? I don't have to burn it, because you take the lid off and the room just starts smelling like it. I definitely need to, like, for actual candles I'm gonna burn, definitely Forever Mood is a place to pick up candles, but this is literally just, you know, for background purposes. But I also got that. I think it was only like, I don't know, $10. Where's the receipt still in here? The wallet's still in here. Is the receipt still in here? It is not, but that was not expensive. I think that was like, I don't know, $10, $12, something like that. And it's a pretty big candle. So, oh, next, I got clothing from Target. That also does, I mean, all of this isn't stuff that rarely happens, so, or frequently happens. I got these silk pajama bottoms. These are in a size small. They were $12.99. I don't know, they're cute. I'll insert like a little video clip or whatever of me actually wearing them so you see what they look like on. But I thought these were cute, you know, really simple, especially since summer's coming and I don't like having to wear clothes, especially in the summer, especially at night. So, so got this for the right time of the year. And then they have a matching top. It's like a tank top that I got as well. Ooh, I can figure out how to hold it. Come on. Ooh. Really? Wait, huh? Oh, it's okay. So I'm like, what is going on here? So this is what the top looks like. It is also a small, and then this was $12.99 as well. What else is in here? So these are from the Honey Pot. These are their sensitive wipes. I use their sensitive wash, like feminine wash for down there. So I picked up wipes, you know, just throw them in your bag for whatever reason if you ever have to wipe. You never know, you know, after a beach day, stuff like that, just nice to have on hand. And clearly I was just in a throw it in the bag type of mood, right? But white front to back, simple as that. I know that's right, white front to back, simple as that. Let's see. These are what the wipes look like. Like I said, just leave them bottom of your bag, in your car. You never know, right? Oh, just in case you guys don't know what the Honey Pot is in general, they make, you know, like hygiene care products for down there. Tampons, pads, body washes, wipes, I think oils, stuff like that. I know that I had seen them say that they were coming out with even more things, so I'll definitely be checking those out as well. I got this from Soap and Glory. It's their hand food hand cream. Again, just like a throw in the bag type thing, or leave it around the house wherever you want, just so you have, you know, like moisturized hands. If you guys didn't see my like body care videos and stuff like that, I love their foot version. So, you know, hopefully the hand version is just as nice. Leaves you nice and moisturized like your feet. And it feels nice. Do you smell? I don't know if I like the smell. It's giving me like your mom's purse smell. That kind of perfumey scent that your mom's purse seemed to have, as if she was spraying perfume in her bag. Like, that's what this is smelling like. But my hand feel nice, you know. Child, that took a little minute to like really get it absorbed into my skin. But my skin feels nice. But you know, like I was doing this for a couple seconds. I'm not gonna open it in store, you know, test it out, stuff like that. So I'm just figuring that out. I got this from NYX. It's their matte liquid liner. I have these versions of, what is this? This is their matte liner. I have these Epic Wear liners from them, which I like, but these are strong. Okay, I'm talking like you go to like remove your makeup at the end of the night and it's like, I'm not, nope. I live here now. Okay, you're gonna have to evict me if you want me off your face. These are real strong, but I needed a eyeliner because the one that I used it's from ABH. The one that I used like completely done, and I needed an eyeliner. It's NYX. I already like that one. I think I've tried this one before. So again, just throw that in the bag. I like the tip of this one. I think the last thing that I got are these. What's the brand? Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Duos. These are like acne patches. What video was that? It was a vlog. It was a vlog that I was telling you guys. I used the patches from Curology, but they finished, and I think like the face wash, Curology also doesn't sell the patches. At least I don't think so. How can I open this? Curology doesn't sell the patches, so I needed new ones, and I didn't know like acne patches. I feel like it's gonna sound, you know, like not that bright, but I didn't know acne patches were out there like that, you know, like easy to find, I guess is what I'm saying. So when I saw them, I was like, dope, I need them anyway, and they have them in store, so why not? So this comes with, trying to figure this out. So these are what the patches look like. You get 12, and directions: identify the blemish, works best on whiteheads, clean the blemish and apply the Mighty Patch, remove after it turns white, minimum 6 hours. So I will try these out, let y'all know what I think about them, but especially like, you know, just those random ones. You're having a good day and then just boom, just random pimple just pops up on your face and you're like, you weren't invited. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up from Target when I wasn't planning on picking anything up from Target. You know, it's mostly like body care, a little clothing, like one makeup thing in there. But yeah, so that is it. I will have everything linked in the description down below if you want to check any of this out for yourself. I can't even say like, let me know what, you know, you pick up when you're in Target, because you can literally pick up anything while you're, that is just a dangerous store to just have free time in, just walk around. You find things that you didn't even know existed type things. So but let me know if you've picked up anything interesting, at least in Target lately, that I should have my eye on. There was one thing that I was checking out. It's called Mix Bar, something like that. It's like a fragrance type thing. I was checking it out, but again, like I don't like opening the stuff in store and stuff like that. So I put it back down. But then after I put it back down, I was on social media and I saw people saying that it was like another version of Kayali fragrances, and I was like, why didn't I pick one up? I might have to go back for that. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried that. Let me know, like that's what I'm saying. Let me know, I think, like those little gems you found in Target. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.